Hi guys, this is a mini haul of all that I got from Uniqlo. So the first item on my list is this skirt, this full length skirt. It is a polyester material and it costs around 2990, so approximately 3000. This is a skirt that I was seeing everywhere. Even latest I saw my sister having the skirt, and it is a perfect skirt to pair with any pastel colored crop top or a tank top. It looks very pretty. Right from beaches to your day out, you can wear this. So this is a staple item that could be there in your wardrobe. The next item on my list is this t-shirt. It's a normal t-shirt that I got. Um, this I got for about uh, 9.99. This was on sale, so I just thought I could pick this up. And this is a t-shirt you can wear at home or to lounge about, or if you actually even want to pair it up with a skirt, it will look very Japanese or Korean style. And yeah, so this is something that was on sale, so I picked it up. And finally, the last item on my list is this tank top, which um, which has which has a bra with it. So the good thing about it is you do not have to find a perfect bra for it, or ensure that it is not showing or if it is proper. And this cost around 1990, so 2000. Um, and the thing is, you can pair it with, again, some kind of cotton skirt or with your flared trousers or anything like that. And I found this color very 90s. I found another same kind of top, bra top, which had blue and red. And this is a color I think we must have come across across the 90s rom-com movies. So yeah, I really like this. And another bra top which is priced the same 1990 is this white color top. So this will go along with a lot of pani style skirts, Indian skirts, um, and you can casually pair it up with anything else too. So I understand the prices in Uniqlo is quite a lot, but I didn't mind paying for this because it is really thick, and I believe they are wardrobe staples and could last you for a really good time if you maintain it properly, and preferably wash it. Do not wash it with your other clothes or machine wash it. So yeah, that's all for today. I thought I was really excited to show all of you all what you could buy from Uniqlo. And actually I'm thinking of buying some more things, like I want some pants, flat pants, or even some jackets. So yeah, I first want to try all of these, and then maybe I'll think about getting more. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.